Hi, my name is attorney Roxell Richards, your favorite injury attorney, and I want to talk to you guys about 5 mistakes people make on their own personal injury case. Number 1, what most people don't understand is that you have a duty to mitigate your property damages. That means that you want to immediately get your vehicle out of the storage. Why? Because it will continue to accrue storage fees, and you have the duty to mitigate. Don't wait and say, oh, I'm going to wait for the other party's insurance to come in and go and get the car or anything like that. Why? Because they have a time frame that they use in order to complete their investigation. Part of their investigation includes reaching out to their insured to speak with them. So while you're waiting on that, you continuously, having these storage fees accrue. The next thing that you should understand, and what people don't understand, is that if you're involved in a car accident, you have the right to get your car towed wherever you want to get your car towed. You'll see the tow truck drivers there, you'll see the police officer there, and then you'll see the police officer say, make sure you go get your tow slip from this particular person. But you can tell the tow truck driver, hey, I don't want my car taken here, I want my car taken there. And if you've got to spend the money out of your own pocket and pay that $200, do that. And the reason why I'm saying is that you don't want your car to be towed to a quote unquote body shop that they have some sort of, backhand deal with, and then end up getting yourself in a situation where you sign documents, they do a complete tear down on your car. Now you're stuck with this bill because now you want to go somewhere else and get your car repaired. So immediately tell the tow truck driver, hey, tow my vehicle home and then I'll just pay it. I don't want to have my insurance deal with it right away. The next mistake that I see people make handling their car accident or personal injury claims is that they don't go seek medical attention. This is very important. I mean, here in Texas, you're entitled to reasonable compensation for your pain and suffering or any disfigurement or any impairment. However, it can weigh heavily in terms of the credibility or the value of your case if you don't go and see your doctor immediately, or if you have what's called a gap in your treatment, meaning that you decide to wait 2 weeks after the accident to go and get your treatment, right? It kills your case. You don't want that. Go and get some medical treatment immediately. The next thing I find people doing that kind of hurts their case is that they'll wait months and months and months to go and get a lawyer. They'll try to go ahead and handle the case on their own, and if they go and handle the case on their own, what most people don't understand is that you're dealing with a completely different department in that insurance company. Once you get a lawyer, right, that claim goes to an entirely different department, right? And the reason why is what you don't know, it will hurt you. The insurance company knows that you don't know the law. They know you don't understand the value of your case. They know you don't know certain protocols, and so they're going to lowball you. And then by the time you come to a lawyer, your case is likely weakened. So don't wait. Don't try to figure this out on your own. That's why you have competent injury attorneys out here who study this stuff day in and day out and who's not afraid to go to trial, like myself, that will fight the insurance company on your behalf. The next thing that I see people doing that kind of hurts their case is they have this notion that if I file on my insurance rate is going to go up. Well, that is a myth. The reason why is because that's why you have insurance, right? Use your insurance, file the claim. What'll happen is once the other party is the insurance company for the other person has accepted liability, they'll reimburse your insurance company back. So this whole notion that, oh, my insurance rate's about to go up, or getting all upset and you don't want to use your insurance, well, that's the mistake that you are making, and that will hurt your case. The last thing that I see people doing is talking to the insurance company before they hire an attorney and making what's called a recorded statement. You have the right to tell an insurance company, no, I'm not telling you nothing. I'm not giving you no information. I'm not about to do a recorded statement. That is completely your right. Now, again, here are some of the most common mistakes, but I've seen a lot more, but comment below and share for more legal tips. And if you've got a question, go ahead and slide in my DM. My name is attorney Roxell Richards, and if you have been in an accident or been injured through no fault of your own, I want you to get paid, not played. Call me 713-974-0388 or www.getinjuryhelp.net. Thanks.